The best dash cams can't stop problems from happening on the road, but they do ensure you have a record of them. You just need to be able to sift through the countless models available and pick one that suits your car and needs. There are so many options out there, each with its unique features and selling points. So in this video, we have compiled a list and reviewed the top 5 best dash cams you can buy in 2024. For more information on the products, we have included links in the description box below. Let's get started. Number 5. THINKWARE U1000. This dash cam is a top choice if you're in the market for a screenless option. During testing, it demonstrated the ability to capture high-quality 4K video in various lighting conditions, delivering clear footage during both day and night. However, the absence of a screen does make the setup process a bit tricky. It's important to ensure that the dash cam is positioned correctly to effectively alert you in case of lane drift or when driving too close to the vehicle in front. The dashcam is an advanced device that offers a useful warning system for upcoming speed cameras. It comes with built-in GPS functionality, allowing it to accurately record the precise location in the event of an incident. However, it is important to note that this dashcam falls on the more expensive end of the spectrum. Additionally, its bulky design and less visually appealing aesthetic may not be suitable for all preferences. For individuals looking for a budget-friendly option, the U1000 Pro is a compelling choice. Despite recording in 2K resolution, which is not as sharp as 4K, this dashcam surpasses numerous alternatives in terms of performance and functionality. Number 4. NEX Bas 122 Dash Cam. Best Budget Dash Cam. This budget-friendly dashcam performs well in daytime conditions, capturing clear video footage. However, it struggles with bright lights at night, and its video resolution is not full HD. One notable feature is its parking mode, which automatically starts recording for 3 minutes upon detecting any impacts while the car is parked. Similar to more expensive NEX Bas models, it offers the flexibility to choose between a 3M mount or a suction pad for mounting on the windscreen. Additionally, the inclusion of a tool for removing the 3M mount adds to its user-friendly design. It's important to note that this dashcam does not have built-in GPS or Wi-Fi capabilities, and it does not come with a micro SD card. Nevertheless, given its affordability, it provides good value for users seeking basic recording functionality. Number 3. Garmin Dashcam 67W. The dashcam we are considering may not match the sharp quality of our top pick, but it is still a solid performer when it comes to delivering clear footage, especially during daylight hours. Its 180-degree lens is well suited for capturing multiple highway lanes, providing an expansive view. Regarding safety features, this device warns about following too closely, drifting out of your lane, and failing to notice traffic movement ahead. This compact dashcam is equipped with a 2-inch screen and convenient voice control, making it easy to operate. One of its standout features is the inclusion of a charger with 2 USB sockets, allowing for simultaneous use of the dashcam and another device such as a sat-nav or phone charging. However, it's worth noting that the dashcam comes with an adhesive mount instead of a suction mount, which may make it inconvenient to detach for use in another vehicle. Another point to consider is that this dashcam does not come with a micro SD card, so you will need to purchase one separately. A 256GB micro SD card, which is recommended for optimal storage capacity, can be purchased for around $20 from Amazon, providing ample space for storing footage. Number 2. Cobra SC201. We know you'll want your dashcam to record what's happening in front of your car, but the Cobra SC201 doubles the peace of mind by also taking video of the interior too. It shoots in crisp, full HD from both lenses, and the quality is impressive in dark conditions, giving you a solid 140-degree field of view that captures lots of detail. This cylindrical camera is also incredibly easy to set up and install, making it a good choice for beginners or anyone who doesn't want to spend ages on installation. It took under 10 minutes to download the app, wire it up, and stick it on our windshield. We like that the Cobra includes a 16GB micro SD card inside the dashcam as standard. You can add up to 256GB to store footage. This model also has GPS that accurately shows your location on the phone app in real time. The 2-inch display may be small, but the colors look good, and it's enough to see what is happening around you. You use a frustratingly short micro USB cable to transfer videos to your computer, and while there's no touchscreen or dashcam is well built and sturdy and comes with a spare adhesive strip if you need to move it to another car in the future. Number 1. NEX Bas 622GW. Best dashcam overall. The dashcam I tested performed exceptionally well in recording high-quality video both during the day and at night. One of its standout features is the ability to review footage in super slow motion at 120 frames per second, making it effortless to identify important details like license plates. In the event of an emergency where the driver becomes unresponsive, the dashcam automatically alerts the emergency services to their location. Additionally, the dashcam comes with Amazon's Alexa built in, allowing users to conveniently check the weather or traffic on their route. However, it's worth noting that the dashcam lacks features such as warnings for tailgating or lane departure. Another point to consider is that a microSD card is not included and needs to be purchased separately. Despite these limitations, the dashcam offers a wide range of features including Wi-Fi, GPS, and a parking mode, justifying its higher price point. Overall, it's a solid choice for those seeking advanced functionalities and top-notch video quality. Here are the best dashcams. If this video resonates with you, please hit the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or ideas for our next review or just want to chat, feel free to drop a comment below. We value your insights and are always eager to engage in conversation. If you decide to subscribe, welcome to the Tech Tribe. We have some epic content coming your way, so buckle up. Until next time, keep rocking, stay safe, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Peace out.